Okay. The only way to settle this dispute to see which Stuffy Huck prefers would be to do a blind test here. We've got Huck in the other room, and we're going to let him in and see which Stuffy he chooses. I like the stingray, and Tom picked the dolphin. Here we go. Let's see which Stuffy Huck likes first. Okay, Stuffy, Hucky, get the Stuffy. Here he comes. Which one will he go to first? Oh, neither one. He's stupid. Go get the Stuffy.
Where's your Stuffy?
Which one does he like? Which one does he like? Get the Stuffy, Huck.
Get it.
Which one do you like better? Which one? Bring it here.
He likes the dolphin!